YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making gloves out of fabric, and I want to show you how I made this glove out of fabric. So we're going to start. First off, you get a stretchy fabric. I'm using this velvet and sequins fabric. Okay, so but the fabric has to be stretchy in a way. It has to be stretchy, especially on the sides. You understand? So you get a stretchy fabric, and if you are going to also use the fabric as the lining, or you're going to use another lining, the lining too has to be stretchy. For this case, I'm using the velvet sequence as my fabric. Then I'm also using the velvet as the lining, like the back fabric. So let us start. So I'll place my hand on. I'm doing elbow length gloves. Okay, so I'll place my hand on the fabric, and I'm going to widen my hand. Okay, then we're going to trace it. So okay, so this is what it looks like at this point. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, now I'm going to be adding, this is my elbow, exactly my elbow, but of course I'll be adding an extra 1 inch for sewing, because we're going to sew in at that point. Okay, so I'm adding an extra 1 inch, and then when we are cutting, we are going to cut we're going to leave ½ inch for sewing allowance. So now we are cutting. We're leaving ½ inch for sewing. Okay, so this is how they look like right now. Remember, you have to look for a way to cut it in, because of course you know that every finger, you have to cut it in, okay, so that it's deep enough when you sew it. Okay, so we're going to be cutting the lining, like this too. Then we'll show you the results. What we'll do when we have cut the lining, we're going to sew it. Okay, then after sewing, we are going to, after we've sewn it, right, then we'll fold it at the edge, okay, and put elastic round the gloves to, so it can have a firm grip at the edge. So we'll show you how it went. Guys, so this is the outcome of our gloves. So you can see how beautiful they looked, and how, fastened to my hands. They just fit my hands like gloves. Of course, they are gloves. So we hope you try yours. Thank you for watching. Bye.